So I'm kind of a bit speechless right now because I wasn't expecting this to happen so fast. I literally ordered this thing like yesterday, 22nd of May, almost like on morning, like 12 a.m. And today is 9 a.m. in 23rd. And I don't live in Mumbai because in Mumbai you can get the delivery by that day. I live in Alibag, which is like 3.5 hours from Mumbai, but it usually takes 4 to 5 days to get something over here. And if it's like cash on delivery, just expect another week. And I've been anticipated for this thing like I can't express you guys. I've never felt such thing for my Galaxy S9 because I've just kind of went ahead and bought it. My Redmi Note 5 Pro, I was kind of good with it, but then again my experience is not the best with it. It had unlocking issues, then again it has power button issues, and then now I kind of dropped it and now it's like this and I have to make so many videos with it now. I am actually going to repair it, but we'll just let that pass on because literally I'm about to cry. Like I never thought I would be just able to own such a thing so fast. Otherwise I thought it would be like 40,000 rupees and I don't have that much money, as you can see. Just been spending, but it wasn't actually 40,000. I bought it for 35,000 and it is the phone which I wanted. This is the mirror black OnePlus 6 and let's just unbox and see whether it has the speed that I need. Cause like literally, if you don't already know, my job is to just buy these phones, and I surely hope my mom doesn't watch that, but my goal is to just make the maximum money out of it and deliver the best content to you guys. There you go. I just can't believe it's like in 1.5 days here and the box is smashed. Wow. Like look at it. Look at the jagged edges. Let me just focus. Like look at this. It's just smashed. Wow. Great delivery. And another reason why I'm so anticipated because I wasn't able to buy it in person. I was actually going to Phoenix Market City yesterday, but that didn't happen because major reason, lazy as fuck. And then again I wasn't able to pick it up into the Prime sale because I don't have a Prime account, and even if you want to make a free trial you need a HDFC or a ICICI account, which I definitely don't have. I'm 17 years old and let's just do it. Like literally look at it. It's the same box as my OnePlus 5. And then again my experience with OnePlus 5 wasn't great. When I bought it, now it's just fabulous. Like literally one of the best companies I have ever seen that has been better with like just software updates. Literally where OnePlus 5 has gone from Android Nougat to Android 8.1 Oreo, and the enhancement that it has like went through, just mind blowing. And this is actually the mirror black. I wanted a matte black, but let's just ball out something new. And it's just on top. Like it's nothing like Apple or Samsung. You have to go through one layer and there is a phone. My first notch phone, Snapdragon 845. Just come out, bitch. Wow. This doesn't feel like 34,000. NFC at the back, some weird ass labels. Like literally look at it. It doesn't feel like 34,000. This is way above. I mean, mirror black finish is just amazing. There is a screen guard over here which I will actually remove, but I'm not sure because I've been dropping phones here and then I dropped my S9 last night, so I wouldn't take chance with this beautiful beast. And it's pretty heavy compared to my OnePlus 5. Where is my OnePlus 5? Okay, there you go. Yeah, definitely twice as heavy than OnePlus 5. I can feel it in my hand. Like surely 100 grams has gone up. Like literally just all thanks to you guys, I've been just able to afford this kind of stuff. I mean, I shouldn't be just spending money like this from next year when I turn 18. I guess there is a cover with it. I have seen actually in videos because literally I never see videos. At the end of the day, if I'm buying the phone, I am just going to make videos on it. But with this thing, I've been just watching videos. I've been just scrolling through the actual OnePlus site. There you go. Here is the cover. It's in black. I guess they are going with the Xiaomi path. If you buy the gold version, you will get the almost like transparent one. But the quality with it, amazing. To be honest, it's rigid. Like it's not a joke. Like Xiaomi just gives you like 20 to 50 rupees rubber casing, but this is actually tougher on the edges, which is a good sign. A dash charging cable which I never used, but I would be using this one, and another dash charger. Oh no, it's actually the same one. 4 volts, 5 volts at 2 amps, 5 volts at 4 amps. Take you to go. So yeah, nothing changed in that, and let's just set it up. I'm not actually sure whether my camera will hold up, but I will just tell you guys with this thing. Like I was kind of concerned about the bottom bezel. Vivo has done a great job in China. In India, can't say that, but good job. And now comes the question. whether you guys would like me to use this phone as daily driver and make content on S9 Plus, like I can make many videos on S9, or keep using S9 and make videos on this thing. I know this thing is popping, it has Android P. So it's down to you guys, what you guys wanna see, OnePlus 6 or S9 Plus. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks, skip, setup as new, skip, continue. And it already has one update yesterday, so that actually adds slow-mo 720p at 480 fps. I thought it would be doing like 960, but let's just see whether it gets or not, cause the technology is there. But that notch though doesn't affect me at all. I appreciate technology, and wow, color accuracy, it's better than OnePlus 5. It's not blown up at all. Like my OnePlus 5 has just boosted contrast. I've just seen OnePlus 5T like once in my life, and looking at this, impressed. Won't be shy to use this as a daily driver. Let's just check the front camera whether it has changed or not. Never heard about it. I still don't know what the 20 megapixel does, but wow, pretty sharp. I don't think it's as wide angle as OnePlus 5. We have to still check, but the sharpness, the preview is amazing. So camera quality would be okay. It needs some work, definitely. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just thanks for everything. Can't express. See you in the next one. Peace.